to show you how to put together the brakes for the Source Ray 130. This is the housing that mounts on the machine. It's held on by two screws that go through the film bucket. The manufacturer screws are 1/4 of an inch long. I prefer to use 3/8 inch screws. They're slightly longer. And when the housing does wiggle loose, you're less likely to have it fall off and actually lose the housing and the brake if you use the longer screws. This is the toggle clamp, which is the brake part. It's made by Good Hands. They're $32 from the manufacturer. You can actually get them on Amazon for about $8 a piece. I'll have the part numbers at the end of the video. This is the leveling guide, which is the brake pad. Screws into the toggle clamp. You adjust it for the height you need once you've got it in there. The leveling glide is actually something that you find on the bottom of a piece of furniture. They're about $3.50 from the manufacturer, or you can get them on Amazon for 22 cents a piece, and you can buy them in bulk. Use Loctite blue thread locker to keep the parts from wiggling loose once you put them together, because the toggle clamp tends to wiggle loose in the housing. Insert that there. Put the screw on. Get it set so that when this is on the machine, the brake's going to go forward. And vice grip onto the top of it, and then use a channel lock on the bottom to really torque it down. You want to make sure you keep the brake going straight forward as you tighten it up and that it doesn't move. That's attached. Going forward, the blue Loctite is going to keep it firmly in position. And generally what I do, because these will fall out also, is put some blue Loctite in these screws, put the housing back on the machine, and then screw this in to the height I want it at when it's fully extended. And then blue Loctite it in, and then this nut will hold it in place once you've got it all done. And that will keep this from falling out, because I've seen in the field the whole housing will fall out. This will get loose and just spin around, and then the brakes will actually fall out. So you'll see machines that are missing the leveling glide, or they have the leveling glide but this is just spinning around, or the whole housing falls off, and then you've lost about $60 worth of parts if it all comes loose. So that's all there is to putting the brakes together, adjusting them, and then use the blue Loctite thread locker to keep everything in place once you've got it installed.